parents are coming here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch out, they might attack.
Yeah.
I don't think they actually should be alright. It might be alright.
Yeah.
It's moving around on that.
I'm really glad that, I thought this may be injured, but
Yeah.
turned out it was not. I'm really happy.
I think it's eating something.
I thought, at the first time, I thought it was dead.
Yeah. The other ones are gone. Because there's 3 little ones, and then there's 2 parents. So sometimes they're here, sometimes they're down there in the car park.
Oh.
It might have just been, might have been hit. It doesn't look like anything's broken because it swings in it okay.
But I think it's real dangerous to be here because it's a car park.
Yeah. Where it was sitting. Yeah, they would have run that. Someone would have run it over.